In this video lesson, you will discover how to use human body proportions when drawing a figure in Contraposto. The model's right arm is flexed in supination position, which means the two forearm bones are located parallel to each other. The model's left arm is in pronation position, with the bones of the forearm crossing each other. The middle of a figure coincides with the pubic bone. Each half is halved again. The top quarter is halved again. This gives 1/8 of the figure's height. The head fits 7.5 times into the dimension A. The head's height divided in half gives the level of the eyes. The height of the face fits 3 times into the distance from the pit of the neck to the pubic bone. The distance from the pit of the neck to the pubic bone is comparable to the distance from toes to the top of the kneecap, and from the kneecap to the navel or top of the pelvis. Through the middle of the figure and the pit of the neck, we can draw lines of the pelvis and shoulders respectively. These lines are tilted in opposite directions. The distance from the top of the head to the pit of the neck can be compared to the hip's width. The distance from the pelvis's top to the pit of the neck can be used to check the width of the shoulders. The height of the breastbone can be compared to one shoulder's width. The width of the calf muscle can be compared with the neck's width. The distance from the top of the head to the pit of the neck is comparable to the length of the upper arm. The length of the forearm is comparable with the head's height and the ribcage's width. The length of the hand is equal to the height of the face. Also, keep in mind that all proportions discussed in the Life Drawing Academy lessons are not rules, but guidance on what to check in life and use in drawing. To show you the construction and anatomy of the figure, I drew helping lines of axes and bones quite prominently. These lines served their purpose, so before rendering tonal values, I erased them with soft kneaded eraser. Smudging pigment dust works well only for soft mediums like charcoal and chalks. Smearing and hatching can be repeated several times to build up the required depth of tones. Here is what we want you to do in this course. To learn the main principles of how a figure is constructed and how to use proportions and anatomy. With such knowledge, your life drawing skills will rise to the next level.